Dave Wolf, owner of JWR. We started a mobile refuse division going on 5 years and had everything over in the original shop. Just became too cluttered. You're working on $250,000 pieces of equipment and you can't really have somebody cutting a compactor apart next to them and you know, doing some things that aren't appropriate. So in order to ratchet it up a bit, become a little more streamlined, efficient, get our stuff together, so to speak, we decided to build this building. A little bit of the field of dreams type thing. Sort of you build it and they'll come, but it's what you got to do today. There's plenty of opportunity out there. Our intentions are to hustle, go out and get it and make stuff happen. And the only way to do that is to have the right facility, have the right people, and perform quality work and promote quality products. Back them up with good support and parts after the sale, and that's what we're rolling with. That's JWR Refuse Truck Center. That's JWR across the board. That's what we believe in, because that's what we expect from our vendors.